Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV, ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menden kesngi kan ruduk leber arajar pun riu. Kaken hun menteri jongka sorka jela klashim karai ban penjelan ka samoi terekam jongki MDC ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council san Bnai. Balashim yakani karai hadim rami ke jengkan at hapdeng ke jai menteri Garo bat ki wepat ke jai menteri ke bamdei ki riulum. UMDC ke BJP hai GHADC Bnai and Marak lebu jengkli ke sorka dak boong. Balei on shimpor Haduh Bnai banyak Kren nak benta tang kuwe kemat kata kade kemat kebedai bat ke Shuttle Tribe kebaga GHADC Kamenshwa klarai batang ki Shuttle Tribe di balak banyak kon yaki election MDC. Ulong baga ni semua terekam kementah kan kut Haduh kat prajak uyayong arah jarak pun riu ulabu jengkli dak boong bahatu omla si banyak Kren ni kade kuwe kemat hapok kan semua terekam kementah. Habis kerana bagi nong thok kubur limbaga telefon, Bernard lapan pawajung sengulingo, baga nong rim balakhat ikador bar kerpang jaga district council, kiri banyak keran halo kan ikamat, kablapan keep halo harilum Garo borok kowe, Henry hapapoi hador bar, laya GCM, bat ithau executive penban, klami keran AA ya kan ikamat, kabakta na kabenta kipait ba. Ulakan no bagajing penjalan ke Haduh Bnai ke dia kebut jong ke NPP ban penklat di pait ba dan bagatip lara ke election ke yat bet ke NPP kan omla kikli show lapan pa gajing sengolingo bagi MDC jong ke TMC bat ke MDC jong ke seng kongres ru kali kerjaan lang ke isi bertamai jong ke NPP ulong bagla keran ceglap thai kubor bagajing kerjaan jong ki ke dia halor kemat kata banyak keran kemat ke badai ke Shuttle Tribe hendak kam jong kipat company bakalong kumta bar kala jengai no nak nongrim jong jelek kerjaan jongki ka BJP ke dia perlok jong ke NPP hak sarkar MDA bar bakli balei bagi MDC ke BJP ki badan arngut kimnet ya solang bat ki isi Bernard loong bagi NPP kamkwa bamu barusi emberim bedeu MDC ke BJP bikin dan lang hak isi.
Actually, this NPP is working right now with TMC and Congress. Yes, they have always kept BJP in the opposition. Actually, they have clarified in media also that even in social media that they are uniting for a cause, and that cause is the issue which I brought up in the house regarding this ST status. No, that. This one, in order to be a candidate in the district council, one should prove that he is a ST by this one, no, present in this one. Like it should be made mandatory in the nomination. Okay, that issue was brought up by me.
Okay.
So at that time also, all the oppositions were supporting, but unfortunately, when I placed in the house, I brought the motion in the house. All the NPP actually they did not, they voted against it. Now there has been people's pressure, public pressure is there, and people also understood and they wanted this to be passed, no, to safeguard the interests of the tribals.
Yes.
Now, when the people rose against this one, present EC, then now people who have actually not accepted in the house, they are actually claiming that they will solve this problem. So, yes, TMC is saying that they are supporting for a cause, that ST status, but when they met the governor, I think the special session was sought not for the ST status issue, but to bring a no confidence motion against the CEM. So the entire motive of the special session, it's actually they are going in the favor of the NPP party, and now again TMC has also joined in, and Congress is also there. So it has they're taking the name of the people's issue, but actually they have they seem to have some other motive. Because when they move for the no confidence, actually they could have done it. This one, no, the resolution could have been placed in the house in the under the leadership of former CEM also, Albinus Marak also, no? Because they were the one who has passed in the executive committee, and which the court did not actually deny that it's not valid, but it has mentioned that this is just the first step. Yes. So it was supposed to be placed in the house. That was the main motive, and that was why the election was actually postponed. Yes, to bring that issue in the house, to bring it formally, no. But now, instead of bringing it, they have changed the CEM. Now they are forming the new EC. So it was all intended. Now even the this one, no. Yesterday, District Council Affairs Minister also has declared that the EC will be, the term will be extended from 18 April to 18 October. Okay, is it really necessary to extend it now so early? Because our term is still there till this one, April 18, no?
Yes.
And this matter can be placed in the house, and it can be passed, and it can be forwarded to the governor for the assent. That's all we need. But why they are extending the term? That means they already have some other agenda, and that is why, without having election, they just want to continue extending. But it will be, I think, a delayed. The agenda which they are supposed to bring in their first place, I think they are going to make it secondary now. Like they are not going to take it up as an immediate issue, no?
Yes.
Because if the election is in October, after October, then they have so much time.
Okay.
So this entire situation is actually seem to be being diverted from the main issue. Yeah, and they want to continue the EC, or like it has become a political, like they're taking it for a political benefit now. See, the government, it has been done in a very hasty manner, it seems. I feel that it has been done in a hasty manner. Instead, the government should have instructed the new EC to place the matter in the house immediately. In the this special session, no. In the special session, this matter should have been placed. But the entire movement is going towards forming a new EC, for selecting a new CEM, and it's actually being diverted from the main issue. That is what I'm saying. No. But I have praised this. Like this extension was this postponement of election, no?
Yes.
Election was postponed for this particular matter. So I asked the chairman, so when can we expect this matter to be placed in the house? So they were saying that we'll elect the new CEM, then a new EC will be formed after that. So it seems it's going to take a long time now. But I don't know whether the people of Garo Hills will accept or be patient enough to wait for their daily tactic, no? So that is the question. No, first time.
First time, no?
First time. Well, this term too, this is the first term. First time. Earlier, in other terms, they have extended, it seems, before also. But that situation is different. Here, the only matter is that the ST issue has to be placed in the house.
Yes.
It has to be placed in the house, and it has to be passed in the house and be forwarded to the. It has to be forwarded to the governor for the assent. That is the only matter. But yes, you follow the process. Like it's actually going the other way. It's actually they are planning to have a comfortable EC, keep on extending without election, because right now it is not conducive for NPP to contest the election. That is a fact. People are very furious. People are not happy. And for that they are extending. So this cannot be the reason, no?
Yes.
Because we still have time till the 18th of April.
Yes.
Why not place it and just pass it? So that is where I think the TMC were also in hand in glove with the with the NPP.
Hey, up, Ruko. Schwaba finchet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapen Donkam. Up schwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Daka basyet da kaneka umpinyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpinyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limbaka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.